Welcome to our channel. Here we talk about the most interesting and powerful machines in the world. If you love technology, cars and military vehicles, don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you won't miss our new videos. Today we have a review of one of the most legendary modern tanks which has received its latest upgrade. The 2026 M1A2 Abrams Tank Top. This giant once again proves why it is considered one of the most advanced battle tanks in the world. Let's take a closer look at what it offers. Let's start with the exterior. The new M1A2 Abrams Tank Top has retained its recognizable aggressive shape but has received several design updates. Enhanced armor, additional protection modules and improved camouflage systems make it even more formidable. The surface of the tank is coated with a special material that reduces its infrared signature. This means it is now much harder to detect on the battlefield. The dimensions remain impressive. The tank is over 9 meters long, about 37 meters wide, and weighs more than 70 tons. However, the developers have worked to make the machine as maneuverable as possible. The new AGT 1500 engine with around 1500 horsepower allows the tank to reach speeds of up to 68 kilometers per hour on highways and up to 50 kilometers per hour off-road. Now let's talk about armament. The main weapon remains the same. A 120mm smoothbore cannon capable of hitting targets at distances over 4,000 meters. However, the tank top version is equipped with new types of ammunition providing greater penetration and efficiency. It also features an improved gun stabilization system and new AI-powered electronic sights, allowing the crew to detect and strike targets faster and more accurately. The engineers didn't forget about secondary armament either. The turret is equipped with a heavy machine gun and an automatic grenade launcher. Both are remotely controlled, reducing risk to the crew during combat. Inside the tank, everything is designed for maximum efficiency and crew comfort. Air conditioning systems, protection against nuclear, biological and chemical threats, and digital control panels have all become standard features. Special attention was given to the upgraded communication system, enabling instant data exchange with other vehicles on the battlefield. One of the major innovations is the integration of reconnaissance drones. The M1A2 Abrams Tank Top can now deploy small UAVs for scouting without leaving a safe cover position. This provides a huge tactical advantage during operations. As for the price, it's as expected. As of 2026, one new M1A2 Abrams Tank Top costs around $95 million. Naturally, the final price can vary depending on the configuration and additional systems ordered by the Army. Nevertheless, it remains one of the most expensive yet technologically advanced tanks in the world. It's important to understand that every detail of this tank is built based on years of combat experience and the constantly evolving nature of modern warfare. This is not just a heavy machine, it's a complete platform adapted to meet the demands of contemporary battles. Besides the United States, some allied countries have shown interest in the new Abrams. Large deliveries to NATO armies are expected soon. This comes as no surprise, since the combination of reliability, firepower and cutting-edge technologies makes it one of the best choices for any military force. In conclusion, the 2026 M1A2 Abrams Tank Top represents the pinnacle of engineering in the field of combat vehicles. It combines destructive power, high protection and advanced technologies, remaining a true symbol of strength on the battlefield. If you are interested in technology and the defense industry, you definitely should keep an eye on the development of this model. That wraps up our review. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and be sure to subscribe to the channel so you won't miss more exciting reviews and updates from the world of technology. See you in the next video.